Buttermilk pie. Simple, really doesn't take more than a couple of minutes to do. It's just 1.5 cups of sugar, 3 tablespoons of flour, half a teaspoon of ground nutmeg, 3 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 cup of buttermilk. You're going to mix them all up and put them in your prepared pie pan. And your pie crust. And then do preheat your oven at 350 degrees. And cook it for 1 hour, 50 minutes to 1 hour till it's set in the middle. Let me get this stuff mixed up. Oh, and half a cup of melted butter. It's all mixed up. Let me get the pie plate with the pastry in it. I used pre-made pie plate with the pastry already in it. I usually make them, but I didn't really have time, so I just picked these up at the store. Came with 2 in a pack. I had to make one more sweet potato pie. When I got up this morning, I was going to shoot the video of the finished product from the sweet potato pie I made yesterday. And my pie was missing a third of it. Somebody got into it last night. That somebody would be my wife. So she ate some last night and took some to work with her today. So I have to make another sweet potato pie. So I bought these crusts to do both of them. Came 2 in a pack, so I just made this buttermilk pie because it's already had all the ingredients for it except for pie crust. It's just stuff you keep on hand: buttermilk, butter, sugar, nutmeg, eggs. And that's about it. Let's pop this thing in the oven for 350 degrees for about 50 to 60 minutes until it's set good in the middle. That's our finished buttermilk pie. Looks good, doesn't it? I'm not going to eat any now because it's still hot and it's good for a party this weekend anyway. So it's done. I've got the other cheesecake in the oven now. Enjoy it, you guys. Thank you.